Hello there, welcome to our channel. Logging once again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to create a WhatsApp group on Android. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to create a WhatsApp group on WhatsApp, let's open up our WhatsApp. And after that, after opening your WhatsApp app, you can see the three dotted icon on the top right corner of the screen. Tap over there, and after that you can see the new group on the top of the dialog box. Tap on new group to open it, and after that when you land on this page, you will be required to choose members whom you want to add to the group. Okay, for me it will be this one and this one and this one, and you can see the forward arrow on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap over there, and after that we will be required to enter the group name. Let's go for the trial one. It can be anybody for you, it can be any name for you, and you can also add a picture on this group. You can see the picture icon, and then you will be seeing this dialog box from where you can upload a photo from camera directly, or your gallery, or your emojis, or you can search it on web. For now I'll be taking on the emojis and stickers, and let's do this. And after, you can see the tick icon on the bottom right corner of your phone, and when you tick over there, your group will be created, and you can see the creating group option. And there guys, we have successfully created a group on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.